Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get this jacket and the green elf costume over here. It's actually really easy. So you come over here to the computer, press the progress button, and for the first one, it is P. It's play with devs. Can't remember if it has spaces or not. Well, I've already redeemed it, so yeah, there's no spaces in it. And then the other one is Happy Holidays with a space. Happy Holidays. And look, I'll come over here and show you guys what this gives you. So this gives you the green elf outfit. Why is the skeleton up there? There's the gorilla right there. What the heck? How did I get to a pirate? So it gives you this elf outfit. The Happy Holidays one does. And then the then Play with Devs gives you the BC Varsity jacket. Alright, thanks for watching guys. See ya.